Besides his invisibility cloak, the stonefish secretes powerful neurotoxins from the base of his dorsal spine. He's the deadliest fish on the planet, capable of killing a human in less than an hour. The trade-off for looking like a stone is that he's not a good swimmer. But then, he doesn't have to be. He can remain motionless for hours until opportunity strikes. When the prey is less than a body length away, he snaps open his jaws to suck it in. The scorpionfish. Like the stonefish, he vanishes among the coral. But unlike his motionless cousin, the scorpionfish will creep closer to its prey. It uses its gill covers to seal its mouth. Snapping them open creates powerful suction to deliver the kiss of death.